Hello students and viewers, you're welcome to our studios, the studio of Wismaths. Today we'll be looking at solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. Now simultaneous equations are a kind of equations that contains two unknowns, usually x and y, and the goal is on how to solve to get the two values of the equation at the same time. And at the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify a simultaneous equation, eliminate one of the variables, go ahead to solve for the other, and afterwards substitute to get that which was eliminated. Let's see how we can actually solve this very quickly. So this tells us that this 2x plus y equal to 7. That's the first. So we can actually call this equation 1. And this plus y equal to 5. Now the goal is to get rid or eliminate one of the variables so we can solve for the other one very quickly. So we can do that either by addition or subtraction. But by looking at this, we have seen that the y variable can easily be eliminated by subtraction. So we can say subtracting equation 2 from 1. So equation, this minus this will give us x. 2x minus x gives us x, and this minus this, so the y component is gone. And 7 minus 5 gives us 2. So we've been able to get our x very easily. So the next step is that we can substitute. So let me say this is step 1. Step 1 that we have applied here, this should be our step 2. Step 2 is to substitute x equal to 2 into either of these equations will work, but let's say we want to substitute into equation 2. So if we are substituting into equation 2, we recall that equation 2 is this. So wherever we see x will drop 2, so it's going to be 2 plus y equal to 5. We make y the subject of formula, so y will be y equal to 5. 2 crosses, it becomes minus 2, so y equal to 3. Therefore, the solution is that x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. And you can see obviously that this satisfies this equation, because if x comes here as 2 and y, it gives us 5. On the other hand, if we also substitute x here, x is 2, so 2 times 2 will be 4 plus 3. So it satisfies the both equations. You can keep learning and growing. See you in our next lesson.